Hey everybody.
Hello.
We are here on set. They are still setting everything up. And Miriam's having bacon and
I might
eggs.
have it in my tea.
But they did a good job trying to make sure they had something that
Us ketoers
us
could
ketoers could eat.
That
So,
was nice.
but yeah, they're just here. Let's flip this around.
Let's see all the people. They're still setting up.
1, 2, 3.
Maybe you could flip
There we
it
go.
around.
So yeah, they're over here. We've got the area like inside of the house, and we've got a wooded scene.
So cool.
We've got photographers on set. But yeah, they say be here at 9. 1, 2, 3. They don't really mean be here at 9. They mean be here at 10. So, it's
Well,
on
I said
Facebook.
between 9 and 10.
Yeah. Yep.
It wants my face.
Well, it did want your face because it was on Face Track, so now I have to turn it really far. Anyway, so yeah, we'll just be here getting everything set up, right?
Yeah. Gotta find my mask. So.
Oh, the light went out. That's right. So we are here on set. The camera's down here, but you can talk to me, whatever. We're out here on set with Little Red Riding Hood. Okay, now, whenever we do one of these commercial, people always want to know, well, who is that? They did such a great job. Okay, so what's your real name?
My name is Morgan Overly.
Okay.
I am an actress out of Los Angeles.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, someone said that you're from Colorado?
I am. Yes, I'm from south of Denver, Littleton, Colorado.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
So yeah, it's so beautiful in Colorado. It's great in LA, but I do miss Colorado.
So you're at home here in the mountains, right?
It's so nice to be here. Like we're falling leaves, and it's like kind of chilly, and I love it.
Okay. So what other stuff have you done?
Well, let's see. I do comedy at the Groundlings. I'm in advanced improv right now. I have been in a Tame Impala music video. They're like one of my favorite bands. So that was very exciting. And then other than that, just kind of I write my own sketch and I write my own comedy stuff. So,
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, cool. So we're super happy to have you with us to do Little Red Riding Hood. You said that you've been going over the script and stuff like that.
Yes, I have been practicing it for days.
Okay.
It's a lot of information to get out, but also make it fun, and it's such a hilarious script. The writing is so good; it makes my job very easy.
Okay.
So yeah.
Hi, Miriam. How's it going?
Hi.
Well, cool. Let's see. What other stuff have I thought of? I don't know. I can't think of anything else. Did you have any questions for her?
No.
No?
No question.
Okay. Are these all your clothes? No.
No, sadly, no. Those are not mine. Just this custom-made bodysuit, which is so incredible.
Super awesome. I love the hair clip things.
Yes.
They look very cool, though.
They do. I feel like a superhero. I never want to take it off. I feel like Marvel.
Do you have the tights and the boots and everything like that?
I have these pointy little fun shoes.
There we
here.
go. There's the boots.
I am 5'1", so I'm very small, and it's giving me a little bit of height. So feeling tall, feeling powerful.
Well, awesome. Well, we're glad that we get some input on who is going to be the main actor, actress, whichever you prefer. But they chose you, and I think they did a great job.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm thrilled to be here. This is the highlight of my year. So I'm very excited.
We're looking forward to hanging out with you for 4 days. Okay.
Yes, 4 days.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Is that his little
You know it.
Oh my gosh, you look so good.
You look exactly the same from the
Right?
last time I saw
I thought you were
you.
gonna put something on his face, make him look like a wolf.
All right, so who are you?
I'm the big bad wolf,
Okay.
and I got a hankering for a granny.
So we did a what's it called? A retreat, a writer's retreat where we talked about the script and everything like that. And okay, now what's your name?
Trent.
Trent. Okay, we're gonna have this as part of the behind the scenes stuff. So,
I love it.
and as much as I wanted to get your name wrong, I figured it'd be better if you just said it. So Trent was one of the writers, and he used his position to ensure he got a.
Sweet cushy spot on this. Shoot.
Nice. Well, you're looking awesome.
Dude, it's all the hard work of this
Again,
Well, and a whole team, Logan Long and myself, have Salt City Effects, and that's our company.
Nice.
And we have multiple contractors. So we had Leslie from Pygmalion Effects on hair, and Noah Cassidy on castings, and he did one of our molds. So it's a big team effort for sure.
And all this to try to make this guy even uglier.
Yeah, Logan Long did the sculpture, which is so cool.
That sounds cool.
That makes
Is
it
he gonna get
pop.
ears?
They're actually going to be above my bonnet. So
Yeah,
it'll be on
they're
like a-
covered by
Oh,
a
okay.
hat, so that you won't see them too much. Because if we're made this beautiful
grandma hat.
The grandma hat.
That's so awesome.
That's awesome.
My sweet, sweet bonnet.
You're
A wee bunny bonnet.
gonna look so pretty with that bonnet. All right, we'll catch you later, Trent.
Right on.
And action. Yeah, keep slapping. That's good. Kick it. Walk off. Very good. And action.
What?
Grandma, you're looking amazing.
Feel pretty.
You're gonna sing the whole song?
West Side Story? It started at the beginning.
Oh.
The overture.
Just a straight, usually straight back. Okay.
You're a wizard, Harry.
This is so wizardy.
It's like as long as we don't see up there. The set. And because of the backdrop, they're doing the whole set.
When cutting this, then are we doing most of this? I dedicate this performance to Chris.
Which one?
All of them.
All the Chris.
All Chris's everywhere.
Okay, ready, Morgan?
Yep.
Okay, here we go, everybody.
Quiet.
Settle. And action.
Number 3 is delicious.
No surprise. That's Keto Chow.
Well judged,
Number 5 is terrible. Made me all huffy and puffy.
So, if you're looking for a healthy and delicious way to stick with your keto diet, go to ketochow.xyz today. Keto Chow isn't just a snack, it's a meal! Besides, healthy people are way less likely to be caught and eaten by wolves.
Oh, come on, you guys. Why can't you just support my healthy life choices? Ah! Ah!
Yeah, we can do go right now. Okay. Hey, Keith.
Yes,
I think
we ready?
Camera's up, yep.
Okay.
Sorry.
And let's get Slate in and let's roll.
Really quick, Art, we got those 2 full Keto Chow bottles ready. We don't need them in yet. I just want to make sure they're on standby.
Thank you for that, Sean. Sounds good. All right. Camera.
Same second half, Morgan, and just kind of do what feels natural.
Take one mark.
Yeah, let's just follow your instincts.
Get the best shake for you. Get the best kit for you. Best kit for you. Ding.
Okay, on your mark.
All right.
When you're ready.
Okay. Whether you're just starting out or you're keto die hard, go to ketochow.xyz to get the best kit for you.
Could you stop ringing that? It's making me salivate.
Each kit includes a quick start guidebook, blender bottle, and free shipping.
I like the elite package. It's got all the bells and whistles. Hey, me too. Hey, me too. High five, Granny. I slapped the rabbit.
That's all right. Reset.
How could you make me look so foolish?
And this time, kind of bring your own, just even be yourself more. And action. Get cozy. Get cozy. Trent, I want you to get like, oh, and action. Get a little cozy. I love my granddaughter.
She's gonna be delicious with
And let's do this last rehearsal and let's jump into it. And action.
That was me a few years ago. Carrying a basket of bread everywhere made the little go away pretty quick. And Grandma and I almost got eaten by a wolf.
And action.
If you're still not sure if Keto Chow can help you conquer keto, there are over 10,000 5-star reviews on Amazon that just might convince you otherwise.
This product makes it so much easier to stay keto.
You are barking up the right tree there, lady.
Cut. Okay, perfect, Trent. Action.
The makers of Keto Chow, Chris and Miriam, are way into the keto community, constantly finding new ways to simplify keto. And they post it all on ketochow.xyz. So you're not just getting Keto Chow, you're getting keto coaches. So you're not just getting Keto Chow, it's like you're getting keto coaches. Drop and give me 30 flavors!
Chocolate, vanilla.
And if you feel that Keto Chow is a little too yummy for you, don't worry. They have a 30-day money-back guarantee.
Lemon meringue.
Reset.
I shall not pass. You will in about 8 hours, Dumbledore. Come on. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Ooh, okay. All right. And action. Let's level that spinach back up. Action.
So, if you want something to talk about when your annoying healthy friends won't shut up about CrossFit, go to ketochow.xyz today.
It's a great way to stay active.
All right. And action.
Keto Chow makes meal prep easier. It's so fast. Just mix with water and the fat of your choice, like heavy cream, avocado oil, or butter. And before you know it, you could get rid of the fat of your choice, like chins, guts, and muffin tops.
I have a.
Oh, home sweet home. For some reason, I thought it said Empire Sweet Empire, and I was like,
That'd be a little weird.
that is weird.
Hey, why didn't you get the big one?
Because this one's cool.
I need the stick. That thing's huge.
Oh, the stick. Hey,
No.
selfie responsibly.
And action.
So it doesn't matter if you're a cute little rat or a big furry grandma. It's easy to customize your Keto Chow to get the calories you need.
No judge, I'm eating for two. Less talking, more digesting. Might want to hurdle those polyps down there. Lower intestine is riddled with them.
Let's go again. And action.
It took me 3 weeks to make this cake, and it still sucked.
That is gross. And I smell my own.
But instead, I took my basket of complicated and bland keto treats and started filling it with Keto Chow, the complete meal replacement shake that makes keto easy.
Yeah, that I prowl pretty well marked in that sense. So every other predator knows that this is my territory. And any type of small woodland creature that wanders through is subject to my whim. You know, if I happen to be hungry at that time, they happen to be on the menu.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit about your bulge here. What you've got.
Old man, you know, during COVID, I spent a lot of time in front of the TV, you know, tacking on pounds. What can I say? Just more of me to love. Well, who didn't didn't I eat? There's a whole host in here. Half of the cast of Saturday Night Live from 1984. Mentioned I really like Activia yogurt. Keeps me regular. And I put down a lot of jerky. I'll be honest with you. Yeah.
Hey, so what is why Keto Chow? What is Keto Chow? Like, I guess talk about the product Keto Chow.
Well, I live my life keto, as you very well know. I eat a lot of meat. So when I was looking for a diet, they said this was pretty heavy meat. I decided that's the way I'm gonna go. But of course, you gotta break that meat up. Meat on top of meat just becomes one flavor, one note. So I like to mix it up with a little Keto Chow. They have over 40 flavors of delicious shakes, and I can wet my whistle on everything from snickerdoodle to root beer float to orange cream to chocolate toffee, whatever way the wind is blowing, it's allows me to delve into those fanciful little cravings I might have, and without the guilt of tacking on the carbs, and of course adding to my voluptuous figure here.
Awesome. So for you, what's it like been working on Harmon Brothers 6? Because you've done multiple, right?
Yes, I've enjoyed this immensely. I've consumed 4 crew members. They become part of what we call the collective, and it's been fine. My heart goes out to their families, but they were delicious, very well fed and very well kept. So Harmon Brothers staffs their crews with some delicious little hard-working crew members who are quite delectable.
Awesome.
Goes down smooth.
Awesome. That's all the questions I have.
Is that all you got for me?
That's all.
I got a question for you. Can you see what's behind my molar over here? Come in a little closer. Yeah, just getting right close. Yeah. You see that? Good. Can you help me with that thing right there? The good folks at Keto Chow do not condone the consumption of grandparents to maintain a ketogenic state. The good folks at Keto Chow do not condone the consumption of grandparents to maintain a ketogenic state.
We've got it. Let's go.
How about?
Let's just grab a few but I do's.
Okay. But I do.
Still rolling. Soda, please.
But I do. Ooh, that's starting to get a little evil. But I do.
You want to do a cheerful one?
But I do. I highly recommend it. They're no fun to pass. Especially if they're all bones and tendons.
That's
all right, that's
great.
good.
That's good. Nice.
Hold on, I'm knitting you a scarf. Hurry up in there. Here you go, darling. Oh, that's a little bit of lunch right there. Here you go. Stay warm. Doodles.
Cut. Action.
My, what a big judgmental attitude you have. My, Grandma, what big teeth you have.
Not big enough. I'm gonna need a doggy bag.
And on your mark, get steady, and action.
Man, this keto meal prep is taking hours out of my day.
This keto meal prep has a name.
Is it supersized? Because this spit's about to split.
My, what a big jerk you are.